Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the binary. Yes, it's binary time. In this puzzle page of not in the weekend edition. No, it's actually today, Friday, April the 26th, 2024. The publisher has published the weekend edition on Friday because tomorrow it's King's Day. And on King's Day we have no newspaper. It's the birthday of the king. And in this puzzle page, I've already solved two puzzles: the 4-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. Yes. Two puzzles remain: the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, and this one you are interested. Binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 8433. 8433. Before I start, I always count printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, always 5 ones and 5 O's. Let me start with the ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 And now the double O's. Between the O's, double O, here one, there one. Double O's, 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 here one, there one. Then double ones, here no, there no. Well, between two O's, oh wait, double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between, double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in one, double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, nope. Well, double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so if I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not that I one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then here we have 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to think this one. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 3 O's. Okay, 4 O's. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this should be a 1. Yeah. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's also an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, and a no between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, the fifth one. So these 3 boxes should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, so the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty. Oh, wait. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. I know we're between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between the O's and O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box will be a 1. And here we have 4 ones. If we place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. It should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. And double O, here 1, there 1. Finish. 5 minutes. Wow. We solve it again without comparing, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.